The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. We abide in the uncomplicated mandala of our awareness, with a mind of uncontrived awareness. Through the good works of spontaneously formed non-activity, we naturally dwell where there are no tasks or searches. In the dominion of the way things are, all pathways are luminescent in perfection without our traveling them. Using the lamp of our own awareness of magical words, the particularities of our thinking become clear just as they are. There are the methods of empowerments and of granting blessings. This is the yoga of the supreme Vajra. By the Vajra that holds the elixir of wonders, a person who lives in holiness will have no deceitful or faithless attitudes. He will hold the cascading water as if he were a monk, and through the door of recollections, on his three doors of body, speech, and mind, he must give up his body, speech, mind, furniture, fields, male and female servants, his spouse, gold, silver, 5 kinds of jewels, son, daughter, foot messengers, and grain, without an impoverished attitude. Then we may be beaten or pierced, or get 5 kinds of cattle and begin to have experiences, or we may not be in contact with holy ones for a long time. Our repute will be luminous, and will then decline. Those who these things happen to will have their promises burnt to ashes. They will be cleansed and anointed. Their personal problems will be swept away. They will not break their vows for anything, or let them be stolen, denigrated, or become thrown off oaths. They will work to cleanse themselves using 18 vows. Then they will reach the self-luminous heart of our Lord. They will abide in the equanimity of self-luminescent light. They will use an uncomplicated attitude to understand unity and bow to the luminosity of self-awareness, to the great perfection. Your self-awareness demonstrates the heart essence of your wisdom. So use the proclamations on unspoken awareness to illuminate what it means to be aware of yourself. You are a child of uncontrived awareness who surely understands. You illuminate yourself by yourself. You must have definitive teachings about unsought awareness to comprehend what is above your intellect. But if someone has broken their samaya, and we talk about or explain secret wisdom to them, presenting them with the oral transmission of the great perfection, then we will at that very moment be destroyed, as if we were ground up by a mountain of soda. The Dakinis and avowed ones will join together in the land of the charnel ground of burning corpses.